Hi everyone, today I will introduce Gensmo AI Stylist for PTP, an AI-powered styling and upsell solution designed to increase conversion directly on your product pages. So Gensmo helps merchants automatically generate AI outfits and upsell bundles. Instead of manually curating looks, Gensmo uses AI to scale styling across your entire product catalog. So manual styling is time-consuming and hard to scale. Gensmo allows you to launch complete outfit recommendations across your store by just one click. You can choose different widget styles, and most importantly, everything is measurable. You can clearly track how styling impacts AOV and revenue. Using Gensmo is very simple. There are four main steps: installation and setup, creating a campaign, managing campaigns, performance, and analytics. Let's walk through each step. So first, install Gensmo from the Shopify App Store. Search for Gensmo and click Add App. Next, grant permissions. Authorize Gensmo to access your product catalog so we can generate AI styling based on your inventory. Third, enable the app embed inside your Shopify theme editor. And don't forget to click the Save button in the top right corner to apply the changes. So great, your store is now connected to Gensmo and your product catalog has been synced successfully. Next, let's create your first campaign to active AI-powered styling in your store. Before we create one, let's talk about what campaign is. In Gensmo, one campaign equals one growth strategy. Each campaign controls widget style, product scope, styling rules, and performance tracking. So instead of selling products one by one, you define a strategy and Gensmo AI scales it for you. To begin, click Create Campaign from the Homepage or Campaign tab. Next, choose a widget template. Select a widget layout based on your use case, whether it's product showcase, collage, or virtual try-on. Now we define the strategy details. First, set a campaign name. This is your internal identifier to manage different growth strategies. Second, choose trigger products. These are the product pages where the AI widget will appear. You can target specific products, collections, or promotional groups. Third, define the AI generation settings. So set how many looks per product and how many items per look. More looks create richer inspiration, fewer looks keep the experience focused and optimize credit usage. Next, define the display name. This is the title that customers see on the product page. Finally, set priority. If multiple campaigns are applied to the same product, the one with the higher priority number will be shown first. This gives you layered merchandising control. If the widget block hasn't been inserted yet, you will be guided to the theme editor to enable it before publishing. This ensures the campaign can display correctly on your storefront. So once generation is complete, your AI styling widget automatically appears on your product pages. This closes the loop from the backend strategy to front-end customer experience. For now, your campaign is now live and generating AI outfits for your selected products. Next, let's look at how to manage and optimize your campaigns. After publishing, you will be redirected to the campaign content page. Here you can track generation progress in real time, retry specific looks, or remove any content that you don't like. In the campaigns type, you can manage all campaigns at one glance. Turning off Enable will remove the widget from your storefront and stop automatic generation. This gives you full operational control. After publishing, you can re-enter campaign settings to adjust widget display options. However, generation-related settings can now be modified. This keeps performance tracking consistent. Now you know how to create, manage, and display campaigns in your store. Next, let's explore how to track their real impact on conversion and revenue. Inside Performance and Analytics, you can measure widget views, product clicks, direct revenue, and overall impact on AOV and sales growth. This gives you clear visibility into how AI selling drives revenue. You can also filter performance by campaign. This allows you to identify which strategies perform best, scale what converts, and continuously optimize your merchandising approach. Gensmo is not just automation, it's measurable growth infrastructure. So there are some frequently asked questions. So basically, content generation is fast, inventory syncs automatically. You can manually review and remove looks, and you control exactly which products are styled. If you have any questions, please let us know. Search Gensmo on the Shopify App Store to install the app for free. Thank you.